In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever found yourself with a PDF that contains unwanted elements, be it unnecessary images, text boxes, or comments, I'm here to show you how to clean it up easily. So grab your computer and let's dive into the process. First things first, you need to open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure your file is saved somewhere accessible, then launch the application and open the PDF document. If you've not used Acrobat Pro DC before, you'll find it packed with tools for editing your PDFs extensively. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the global bar located at the top of the interface. Here you'll see several options, but for today we're focusing on the Edit button. Click on Edit to activate the editing tools. This is your command center for making changes to the document. With the Edit tools activated, the next step is to select the object you want to delete. Simply click on the specific object within your PDF. You'll notice it becomes highlighted, indicating it's ready for editing. Now with the object selected, you can go ahead and press the delete key on your keyboard. This action will promptly remove the object from your document. It's as straightforward as that. However, if you're dealing with text boxes specifically, select the text by highlighting it, then press the delete key as well. This is particularly useful for cleaning up text-heavy documents where you only need certain parts of the text eliminated. Additionally, if your document contains comments or shapes that you wish to remove, glance over to the right side of the interface. Here you'll see an icon labeled Comments. Clicking on this will open the Comments panel. Once you've accessed the Comments panel, look for the specific comment or shape you intend to delete. Select it, and once again press the delete key on your keyboard. This will remove the unwanted elements from your document. Alternatively, if you prefer using your mouse rather than the keyboard, you can also right-click on a comment or shape. This brings up a menu where you'll find the delete option, offering another way to remove these elements. And there you have it. Simple steps to keep your PDFs as clean and as organized as you need them to be. Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers a user-friendly and efficient way to edit your documents, helping you maintain only what's necessary. So, the next time you encounter a PDF cluttered with unwanted elements, remember these steps. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.